compact, but fully loaded as described and look just like the photo. If you collect number 34, Zombie number 34, and have a collection shelf like I do, you'll enjoy adding this to your stash of goodies. While small, it does contain enough to start you on your way to surviving, just perfect to carry in your backpack or briefcase. I would suggest that it go into a larger bag along with other essential stuff to enhance your survival experience. Bought these as Christmas gifts for a few friends and they were the perfect little gift with a lot of usable items. It was mostly a gag gift, but I think these could actually come in handy in a sticky situation. This was a Christmas gift to my niece who loves number 34. The Walking Dead number 34. It is the perfect gift for those junior zombie killers out there. The first day of the zombie attack was hard until I remembered my Citadel Black Zombie Survival Kit. It saved my life and is a great product.